Hello, this is Courtney with 360 Island Tours. In the last video, I showed you how to extract the zipped files locally to your computer and how to rename a few of the folders and files. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload the files to your server. So basically, we're going to go ahead and start off exactly where we left off. Start up exactly where we left off. So we have the Angel Garden, Blue Lagoon, the same files that we've actually been working with. And what we need to do is we need to select a place on our server for each of these tours to reside. So we need a home for them. And what we're going to do in this video is show you how to create that and how to upload them. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to open up your preferred FTP client. So in this I'm using Qt FTP. You can use FileZilla, which is free, or any of those. And in this example, we are just going to store it. Let's go ahead and create a new folder. So basically, I am on one of my websites and I'm going to create a new folder. We're going to call this Best Bridal Tour Example. You can see I've got a lot of examples. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the folder that we've created. Now this, you could have written it to say Virtual Tours, VT, so the folder could have been named anything. And then what we do is we simply drag and drop the folders that we want to upload to our server. I'm going to find whatever the smallest one is for this example. So this one's 12 megabytes. That's fine. Let's go ahead and do that one. It's nice and small. So Angel Garden, we drop it in there. And then we let it upload. And I'm going to fast forward this and I will come back as soon as it's done, which will be in a second. Okay, so now we have fully uploaded the tour to our server. So what we need to do next is we need to locate the HTML file that's going to be used to open the tour. So basically we go in through the folders and we see it's going to be the first HTML page. And what I do, depending on what program you're using for your FTP, what we need to do is we need to get the address of that file. So I know that this is right here, and then I know that the site is actually sitesires.com. So what I do is just sitesires.com / drop that in, go. And now we see that this is the actual link to that tour, so we can copy that because we're going to be using that link in the next tutorial, which is how to link an image or a text hyperlink to that index file, to the tour. So as we can see, it worked perfectly. And this is actually live. So it is on the server. And it's loading. And there we go. So worked just like it should. So in this video, what we did, basically just to reiterate what happened, is we basically had our unzipped files. So we opened up our FTP client, navigated to the location on our server that we want the virtual tours to reside. And in my case, it was right here. And basically we just drag and dropped the folders into, so if you wanted multiple, you could do all of these at once and just drag them all and drop them in. And then in order to find the link, the actual page that opens up the tour, we go into the folder, and it's going to be the first HTML page that we come across. So then what we need to do is we need to locate where that is actually residing on our server. And for me, using Qt FTP, all I needed to do is put a /, bring it back to before the public HTML, or after the public HTML, and put in my website's name, which was sitesires.com, put a /, oops, sitesires.com / drop it in, and there we had it. So in the next video, we're going to show you how to link the images or text, how to create a hyperlink out of the images or text, so that when your user clicks on the image or text, it opens up the virtual tour. So we'll see you there.